This is the all-new 2025 Peugeot 3008, a stylish small SUV with bold design and modern tech. But how safe is it? Here's a quick breakdown of its Euro NCAP crash test results. Overall rating, 4 stars. Tested variant, Peugeot E3008, 73 kWh, LHD. Adult occupant protection, 82%. In frontal crash scenarios, the passenger compartment remained stable. The vehicle provided good protection to the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. In side impact tests, including the severe side pole test, the 3008 scored maximum points with good protection for all critical body regions. However, one weak point was found in far side impacts, where no countermeasures exist to prevent occupant-to-occupant injuries, marking this area as marginal. On the upside, it offers excellent whiplash protection and includes an advanced e-call system and multi-collision brake to reduce post-crash risks. Child occupant protection, 85%. The Peugeot 3008 excelled in protecting younger passengers. It scored full points in both frontal and side crash tests using child dummies representing 6 and 10-year-olds. The vehicle allows easy installation of various child seats, with clearly marked ISOFIX and I-size positions. While the front passenger airbag can be disabled to accommodate rearward-facing child seats, a downside is the lack of a child presence detection system, which could alert guardians if a child is left inside the car. Vulnerable road user protection, 79%. Euro NCAP praised the 3008's pedestrian and cyclist safety features. The SUV offers good to adequate head protection, though some areas like the windscreen base and pillars showed poor results. The autonomous emergency braking system works well against cyclists and motorcyclists, reacting effectively in most real-world scenarios. However, the car lacks cyclist dooring prevention, slightly lowering its score. Safety assist features, 62%. Here's where the 3008 loses some ground. Although it includes lane keep assist, speed limit recognition, and fatigue detection, its seatbelt reminders for rear seats failed Euro NCAP's detection test. The driver monitoring system identifies fatigue but not distraction. The AEB system for cars is reliable, and lane assist offers smooth corrections to prevent unintended departures. Still, these assistive technologies don't reach the sophistication of 5-star rivals. Final verdict. With strong occupant protection, great crash structure integrity, and competent active safety tech, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 earns a 4-star Euro NCAP rating. While some areas like rear seat monitoring and far-side impact protection could be improved, this SUV remains a solid and safe choice for families. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.